chooses to feel empty tonight. I chase the thrill, I taste the dream, but deep inside it's not what it seems. Every touch, every high still leaves me wondering why. Am I lost in the glow? Drowning in a world so beautiful. The warm fades when I'm below. Tell me, is it love or just control? Perfume lingers, whisper soft, wrapped in a moment, but at what cost? Is it passion or just a game? If I let go, would it feel the same? Take it all, strip it bare, would you still find me there?